Hi, my name is Bruce Roth, and my guest today is Dave Horwedel. Dave is the founder of Torchlight Tax and Financial Services, and he's also an enrolled agent. Dave, can you tell us what the different types of corporations and corporate entities there are, and why one might choose one over the other?
I certainly can. First, I want to mention that I'm talking about the tax implications of this, and I'm not practicing law. But there are two actually types of corporation. There's a C corporation, which is the major corporation. It's General Motors. It's the big guys. And the C corporation, they have stockholders. They make a lot of money. They usually have, corporate meetings, the board of directors meetings, and it's a big deal. And they actually have to pay corporate income tax on the profit that the corporation makes, and then if they pay their shareholders a dividend, the shareholders have to pay individual taxes on the dividends they receive. That's the big corporation. It's called a C corporation. The other type of corporation is called an S corporation. An S corporation is a small business corporation. It has limits on how much money it can make. It can't have more than 100 shareholders. But the main thing about an S corporation is that the income it makes automatically flows through to its shareholders. So it never makes an income as a corporate entity. It all gets credited to the individuals who own it, so there's no double taxation. And this is a very, very common thing that a small businessman, a self-employed person, they can become an S corporation, and it can have tax benefits for them, and it can also shield them, legally. Now there's one other entity that's not actually a corporation, but everybody thinks of it. It's called a limited liability company, or LLC. Now the funny thing about an LLC is that they can apply to the Internal Revenue Service to be treated tax-wise as an S corporation, and in many cases this will give them a significant break as far as the self-employment tax, Social Security, and Medicare. So there's actually only two types of corporations, really. There's a C that I add the S, but there's also the LLC that kind of operates as one. And it's something that people should be aware of. And it can have definite tax implications for how you do it. And you can also use it to shield yourself from lawsuits and things like that.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.